Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Moses, your host, and today I want to share with you how to clean and protect the engine bay of your vehicle. I will be using 3 products for this project that I have been using for many years. The first one is the engine cleaner foam, and this product will clean engines, run cooler, look better, and last longer. It will remove dirt, dust, and road grime, and also save on most underhood rubber, plastic, and paint when used as directed. Rinses easily with water. The second product is the Engine Protector Shine. This product will leave your engine with a protected layer that makes future cleanup easier. You can use it in surfaces such as hoses, plastic, and metal parts. It is safe on most underhood rubber and paint when used as directed. When the work is done, it will leave a beautiful satin-like finish. And the third product is the multi-grade steel wool pads. The pack comes with 12 pads in total, 4 coarse, 4 medium, and 4 fine pads. Use the one that you think is the best for your vehicle. In my case, I will be using coarse grade to remove rust from the aluminum parts, as you can see here. You can get these products pretty much from any auto store. I would like to mention something. If you have advanced auto parts close to home, I would recommend to purchase these products there and join the Speed Perk Rewards program to get discount coupons and save money. I use it all the time. Okay, so let's get started with this project, and I will try to make it short as possible. Alright, first I am going to remove this cover, so I could clean up this area. There are 4 clips holding this cover together, and actually this is the first time cleaning this part of the engine. Anyway, now I am going to spray a little bit over the engine. I don't want to do it too much, just a little bit. Using the steel wool, I will start removing the grime and oil. This part might take some time, so I'm going to speed up the video for you. As you can see, this is already working. So now I'm going to remove the dirt with a towel. A metal brush like this one might help to get into some difficult spots. Now I am going to use the steel wool again. Follow this step as much as you need until you get the result that you're looking for. Also, I would recommend to cover the alternator with a towel or a plastic bag, just as precaution. This part of the engine is showing a lot of rust, so I am going to do my best to remove most of it, following the same step as before. Now, I'm going to remove the rust with a towel. Alright, I still see some rust in this area, so I am going to do the whole process one more time. Okay, now I am going to use the blower, just to make sure that it's dry and clean. We are almost done with this video. It is time to apply shine and protect. Okay, now let's put the cover back in place. Alright, so what do you think? Do you like it? Looks very good to me. My Rav4 is a 2010 and it has about 120,000 miles. Not too bad, huh? Well, I hope you like this video and don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Until the next time.